And vanhu veZimbabwe vari kushandiswa kupenda Mugabe kuti vakashata. Ini ndinoona kuti Mugabe vanga vari nani by far. And ndakambozvitaura vachibviswa futi. He was by far more dignified than these rascals. Havana dignity zvachose. Unozoti it's better for you to lose an election and with dignity and overpower. Pane kuti unotonga vanhu vanonyatsozviziva kuti iwe waura kuwina election, wakaba iwewe. Hazvina dignity. Vana vako vanonzi nevamwe vana kuchikoro, baba wako was president vakaba election. Hazvidadisi kuti baba kuti president, vanhu vese vanozoti wakaba election. Hazvina dignity. Munhu akadaro haagone kunamatirwa kuti Mwari amukomborere, hapana chaanowana kubva kuna Mwari. Zviri kunzwika? Izvo zvandiri kutaura zvikandika ndazvifira ndinoita dambudziko reizvi dzangu nazvo. Unofunga kuti chii chandingambonyanyokuti ndashuwa ndikabva pano inini, unofunga kuti chandingasiwo dai ndadzokera kuZimbabwe chii? Kufunga kwako munhu akafa nhasi chaanonzi amisa muno chii? Masoweji waya. There's nothing to miss in Zimbabwe. A dead person is better than a living person right now in Zimbabwe.
So it's only now that a lot of people now understand what Apostle Chiwenga meant when he said Robert Mugabe was better than Emerson. Because when you're looking at the recent remarks of Ziyambi attacking the liberation struggle, key principles and values, especially one man, one vote, when you see this regime reversing the land reform program, they are doing everything to dispossess land from black people, giving it to just a few elite. When you're looking at that, you can see that Mugabe had a strong liberation legacy as well as revolutionary legitimacy, unlike vatiri kuona ike zvino. So you can see that Mugabe as a leader, he was quite better than zvatiri nazvo ike zvino, because these ones do not care. They will tell you everything is well when things are going south. Mugabe was a man who could admit kuti aumanaka zvino zvinomira zvakanaka, mitengo yakwira, zvinhu zvaita sei ngatite sei vachitatarika varipo, but it's nothing. So when I'm looking at Robert Mugabe in the early years, he managed to do things. He built stronger social services as well as education, health. So you can see that is the key credibility of Robert Mugabe. But vatinawo izvezvi kubva zvavakapinda, they built nothing. Because when you're looking at the period between or the period just after the elections in 2018, civil servants started earning peanuts. They started earning nothing. So you count kuti 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022 civil servants achipiwa nzungu, and they only improved the situation in 2023 when they were heading towards the elections so that they get re-elected. So you can see that, unlike Mugabe, these people were worse, far worse, because compare and contrast with who was eating chiguta ndiani. So they've done nothing. Pamazuva ako ekutanga, pamakore ako ekutanga ndo paunotarisirwa kuitawo zvinhu zvihombe, but they've never done anything. So they will tell you about the issues of sovereignty, but are they not the ones who are now paying Varungu 3.5 billion for colonizing us, for taking our land, for grabbing our land? Yes, 3.5 billion plus US dollars being paid to the white farmers, to the colonialists. Yet Zimbabweans who suffered from Gukurahundi, who suffered from the liberation struggle effects, who suffered from Rambachina, who suffered from all sorts of mischief from this government, they have not been compensated. Kuna vanhu vakagurwa long sleeve, short sleeve, We have never been compensated up to this day. Gukura Hundi victims, never compensated. So you can see that Mugabe, in his badness, he's tried by all means possible to maintain what he called sovereignty. So when it comes to the issues of principles, whether it was wrong, it was right, Mugabe maintained one thing. They will indicate left and then they will turn right. That is how they do their own things. So you can see that Robert Mugabe, as a man, he was a man who made so many mistakes, but I believe now that the mistakes which were made by Robert Mugabe were mainly influenced nechikwata chatiri nacho ichi. You can go back to history, talk about anything and everything. You cannot exonerate on atiri navo right now, because they have proven themselves to be far worse. They have proven themselves to be self-serving. They have proven themselves not to care about anyone else. So you can see that economic collapse continues. Nothing is working in Zimbabwe. You go to the civil service, you go to the rural areas, you go everywhere. The people who vote for you are the same people you are punishing on daily basis, are the same people you are evicting on daily basis, are the same people you are making suffer on daily basis. So unani wavo tingati huri papi. What have they done? Look at the hospitals. If they say Robert Mugabe had failed, they were supposed to come and do better, but they failed to do better than Robert Mugabe. They will tell you, Trukuvaka road, Mugabe anakuvaka road. Okay, road dzamuri kuvaka dzakambonyanyo koshei, dzakambonyanyo nakei, uye dzine life span yakaita sei. How much are you collecting? Why is it that makurambira kubva pachigaro? The same thing you accuse the others of doing. Those are makuita imeni. You promise vana veZimbabwe uchi nemukaka. Ike zvine zvakusina uchi ndiwo wava uchi hwacho. Ndiwo unongochiimbirwa double kiss. So you can see that Zimbabweans, where we are going, elections are being banned, the opposition has been hijacked, everything is happening, and slowly is being confirmed. Kuti vanhu vakanga vachitinetsa panguva iyoyo ndo vatiri navo. That is the reason why Robert Mugabe never wanted to leave power in the hands of these people. He knew them very well. And I think the man was worried. That is the reason why he voted for Nelson Chamisa in 2018. Because he knew what Zimbabweans were going to face. So one day change will come to the nation of Zimbabwe. Whether they like it or not, change will come to the nation of Zimbabwe. But let it be known that Robert Mugabe was far much better than vanhu vatiri nava. Far much better. Vatiri nava vamawana. Zva 2030 izvi zvakufanira tombopotawo zvichifoira.